Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I have a Patreon package from Melissa to open. However, I did want to share with you my new logo. Some of you may have noticed it. This is my new logo. I went on one of those free logo maker things and I just created this. I picked the colors. They're some of my favorite colors. And these swirls remind me of a peacock without actually being a peacock. And of course, the free image you get is low resolution. And then after I did that, I went on to Fiverr and I had someone create a new intro to the video, as many of you may have noticed. The music that was with it was kind of in a minor key and it wasn't really what I had in mind. So I went ahead and picked some music and put some more upbeat music on there. So I hope you enjoyed that. And then I got a thing on Facebook from Sticker Mule where you can get 10 die cut stickers for $1 shipped. And I thought, oh yeah, I want that. So I went ahead and ordered these stickers. It has the low resolution image. And they're okay, but I'm not thrilled with them. I like the stickers and I love the image, but I'm not thrilled with the low resolution image. So I went back to Fiverr and I found someone else to make my logo in high resolution. I have now a vector file and the word Crafty Rhea is outlined better in white and it just looks a little more clean. So you'll see that show up on a few other things. And I'm kind of playing around with thumbnails and different things for my videos. I haven't really found one I really love yet, but one of them will stick and I'll kind of do them all the same. I just wanted to share that with you and kind of let you know what I've been working on. It's kind of fun to have a logo. I really like it. And these stickers I'll be sending out in Happy Mail or in my Patreon packages or in prize winnings and different things like that. So you may get one. I only have 10 of them, but I have something else coming that's really exciting. So anyway, there we go. I have that. I hope you enjoy the new look. And if you hear howling right there on cue, that's Jonah. He is our Beagle Pug mix, and I have no idea what he's howling at, but he feels the need to howl. He must really love my logo and my stickers. And no, I won't edit this out because that's just too much fun. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to the package from Melissa. I've been one of her Patreon members for almost a year now, and she sends the poly mailers and beautiful Jilson Roberts tissue papers and all of that. And I took February off and I'm kicking myself for doing so because right at that time she ordered some new Jilson Roberts tissue papers, and it is so beautiful. So of course I had to sign back up for March. I have way more tissue paper and poly mailers than I need, but I couldn't resist because this I think will have one of the new prints in it. All right, so let's see what we have here. I'll start with what's on the bottom, which is the, oh good, I'm so happy, the poly mailers and the tissue papers. I can get this open. And she always sends little business cards. Now, I have a very small eBay shop, and I do ship things out, so I like to wrap them. And of course, if you've ever gotten Happy Mail from me or Patreon Happy Mail or swaps from Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendships, you will know I usually like to wrap everything in pretty papers. These cards say, "Let your beautiful soul explode with happiness." And they are glossy, as you can tell, and the backs are blank. So I usually make a sticker with my eBay store on it if I'm enclosing that as an eBay business card. So I do use those. And those are really cool. That would make a pretty card front as well. So I think I'm going to start with the poly mailers first. And these are so fun. These are the larger size, which is good because sometimes I use them. And I love the llamas. They're adorable. They are awesome. I need to make room. I have too much stuff over here. Okay. And we have these, these balloons. Oh, I love those. They're so pretty. I have not seen this before. I love it. That is awesome. I will look forward to using those. And this is like a spring theme. This is very pretty. It makes me think of candy or jelly beans around the flowers. So pretty, and I like the print there as well. And there are some more. These pretty pink ones. I have seen these, but I don't have any. So that is awesome. I really like those. Perfect for spring. I don't have a lot of spring prints, so that was one of the reasons I did want to get March's kit. And then the clear bags, which always come in handy. And then here are the Jilson Roberts tissue papers. We have this beautiful print. I think that's a dogwood. I'm not exactly sure. If you know what that is, let me know. And this one, I didn't know she ordered this. I saw it on the website, and this is beautiful. This purple with the flowers. Of course, you know this is my favorite. My favorite color is purple. And these flowers, they're not really metallic. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but the white on them has a really cool sheen on the tissue paper. And then there's this one. I saw that she was getting this, and I was hoping this would be in March's box. This is so beautiful. And that is a blue. I don't know how it's coming out on camera, but that is a blue background. I love that new print. And this is one of the brand new Jilson Roberts prints. I love all of those prints and all of those poly mailers. I'm so glad I got March's. I don't think I can ever not get it now because I'm afraid I'm going to miss out. I have FOMO, fear of missing out. And I'm going to save this foam because it is great packing material. And she always sends some ribbons and goodies. And this is so pretty. She packed it up so nice. We have a hipster Easter sticker. See if I can get it off without ripping it. Nope. And the ribbon is, one of the ribbons is this beautiful orange color. I love that. And we have some pink, some sheer organza pink ribbon. And we have a bunch of goodies in here. I'm so excited. I love all of the goodies. Oh, and she does send stickers usually. So these are Hey Beautiful. I love those. Oh, and there's some thank you stickers. Oh, there's some others in here. Let me see. And oh, the Easter ones. I don't have any Easter stickers. I had hearts for Valentine's Day. Awesome. Thank you, Melissa. Those will be put to good use. And let's see, we've got some goodies in here. We have ribbon. We have more of the ribbon. This is a yellow organza, which is gorgeous. And this is so pretty. Uh-oh. All right, I saved the day. This ribbon is so pretty. It looks like it changes color. It has the peach and it has some of the reddish color and the green in there. I love that. That'll go great with some of those papers. And we have some Easter goodies. We have this carrot, which rolled on the floor. We have an Easter egg, and these would be nice to ship things in or to store things in, but I think I'm going to hang them on my Christmas tree. We have a rainbow Christmas tree that we keep up all year round, and these might make good Christmas ornaments or Easter ornaments for the tree. And this does have holes in the top, so I could put a string on that. And we have this big, really cool clip-on flower. And there are 3 shamrocks. These are so pretty. They'd be great on a card or even on my tree. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do with them yet, but I love them. We have a smaller egg. Oh, there's something in the egg. And it is a pin. And it says, "You are enough." And that is her motto. She always says, "You are enough. You are so enough." It is unbelievable. I think it's unbelievable how enough you are. And I love that. Thank you so much. We have some sticky notes in this cute little doggy. And this little butterfly came flying out, and that's adorable. I think a lot of this I can use on the tree. And it looks like we have these little kits, these little craft kits. That might be a bunny. And I'm not sure what that one is, but I will have to figure it out. And these look like little chicks or ducks. Those are cute. And this carrot. I saw someone, I was watching a video, and I think it's the DIY guy. I'm not sure if that's his name or not. He had several packs of these carrots from the Dollar Tree and one of their small wreath forms, and he just hot glued them all next to each other all the way around. Go check that out. It was so cool. And it looks like these are, this is a Treasures pop-up card. Let's open it and see what it is. This is so pretty, and this looks like an Easter card. And look at that. Wow, that is fantastic. I love this card. That is so cool. Thank you so much, Melissa, for the goodies in this month's Patreon box. I'm going to really enjoy all of these goodies, and I will have fun wrapping my Happy Mail this month, whatever I send out. Actually, probably over the next couple of months. I love all of those Jilson Roberts tissue papers. I'm addicted. I can't help it. And I end up hoarding and saving my favorite patterns, and I don't use them like I should. But in my last batch of Happy Mail that I sent out for the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship, I used some that I had been hoarding, and it's my favorite. So I hope everybody enjoyed their packages if you are watching. It was very hard for me to use some of those favorites, but I did have a good time doing so. And I'm going to use some of these favorites in the future. And I wrapped my Patreon packages in fun strawberries this month. So I thought that was kind of fun to do as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you haven't yet joined my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, please head on over there. It is really a lot of fun. The ladies are awesome and wonderful, and I would love to have you join our crafty family over there. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.